Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is we're gonna do this. This is a Christmas calendar here in Denmark, and we normally have this as a gift given by my mother-in-law. So binigay niya to. Actually I got one for me and Martin got for himself to. And dahil tamad kami parehas na mag-scratch, January na ngayon at hindi pa namin na-scratch, guys. It's supposed to be, it's supposed to be December. So, December 1 is-scratch mo to, number 1. So, December 2, asan ba yung 2 dito? Ito, scratch mo yan. And then, pag na-scratch na yan lahat, then there is this one here. Obvious ba? Kita nyo? Yes, so pag makakuha ako ng 10 na Christmas tree, ibig sabihin nun, 1 million guys. Millionaire. So, ang tagal na nito at naglinis ako today and nakita ko siya. So, I was thinking, okay, why not do the scratching today at baka naman, manalo tayo. We don't know. Ito na ang sagot sa kahirapan. Wait guys, hanap muna ako ng, iposisyon ko muna ng maayos para makita niyo din yung pag-scratch ko. Christmas tree. Star. A Christmas tree. The star. Kahit ano-ano na eh. Yuli man and Yuli tray. There. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. One more of this, then it's 1,000,000. And then one more of this one, then it's 200 kroner. Please be a lucky charm. Wala guys, oy, the horsey man, oy, the horse. Maybe this one here also. Advent calendar. Inga. Nothing. What? Oh, at least there's 50 kroner. Heart. Heart. Nothing. Okay. We won, guys. 50 kroner. Ito siya. This here. See? That one. Tapos, meron dito. Kita ba? This. So, we won 50 kroner. Oh, bawi! At least may 50 kroner pa rin. And then, there's the bonus. Bonus scratch. Scrap that symbol of 20,000. Okay. So, pag ganitong symbol makita sa after ma-scratch ito is may 10,000 kroner daw. Pero I don't think so kasi nanalo na ng 50. Come no. Nothing. At least may 50 kroner, guys. Yeah. Hello, guys. Na-scratch ko na lahat. And akala ko pa naman is magiging milyonaryo na tayo. Pero hindi pala. But anyway, I'm still happy kasi nanalo tayo ng 50 kroner. 50 kroner din yun. Sinong magbibigay sa atin ng 50 kroner, diba? So, at least may 50 kroner din ito. So, nanalo siya. I'm happy. Pero mas magiging happy pa sana ako ng bonggang-bongga pag 1,000,000. Pero hindi pala. But anyway, yun guys. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.